Hey Jesse, Paul Heck here, working with Adam on coming up with a strategy for you on your website, and just wanted to show you a few things. I put together this quick video for you. The thing you got to look at on your website is Google is trying to rank you as the authority in your space. They do this by looking at the content on your website. They look at the backlinks that your website has. So this is external websites that are linking to yours that pass power to your website. The third thing they look at are citations. So this is the name, address, and phone number of your website listed on these online directories. And those three things together start to push you up in the search rankings. You're building powerful backlinks each month in an organic fashion so that, Google doesn't see you as being spammy and penalize you for that. But it's all about the content, getting the keyword rich content. We do a whole lot of research on the front end to figure out what that needs to be. But I just wanted to show you a few things here real quick. You guys have a Google business profile, which is great. You've only got one Google review. It's 5 stars, which is awesome. We've got to get more than that. So Google's trying to rank you. I'm going to show you real quick. I searched for roofing Defiance, Ohio. I know that's kind of where you guys are located. This is also another sponsored ad running here. And then you've got the map section, and then down below that, the organic. So we'll talk about that map section real quick. Your Google business profile is going to help you to rank high in this map section. You got to have keywords in the content of your business description. You need to have be posting on there a few times a month. And in that content of that post, you also need to have keywords. And so Google is looking at you doing something. They see you very active. They see you getting Google reviews. These are all things that we can help you with in helping you boost that search ranking up so that you start to rank in this map section. It is also location based. So depending on where someone's searching from, they're going to rank you based on, who they think is the best and the authority matched up with where somebody is search ranking. So it does move around a little bit from depending on where you search from. Let's talk about the organic section. So this is a section where your SEO is really hitting hard to push you up in the search rankings. So you've got to periodically post maybe some blog content. You've got to add backlinks each month that are passing power to those keywords. And you definitely have to have the citations out there as well. So again, it's trying to pass power. Google's trying to rank who's the authority in the area. Your content has to be really good. These are all the things, the backlinks, all that stuff we create just on an ongoing basis so that your site continually climbs in the search rankings. And let's look. I know Defiance is not very big. It's 16,000, 17,000 people. Adam's going to talk to you about where exactly that you want to target. I don't know if you're going to go over to Fort Wayne, but I'm just going to show you just some of the things that is available, over in that area, just so you can see what's going on. If I just search Defiance, Tri-County Roofing, Defiance, Ohio. I know Tri-County Roofing is a company, but they get searched 20 times a month. It's ranking 0 on the easy scale, so I love to see 0. I like to see this a little bit higher, but there's not a lot of search around in these small towns, but you definitely could create a page for that town and really rank high for that because nobody's going to be going after that. And if you want to pick up as many of these, larger cities and towns, that does have a little bit of search volume, because you're in that area. If you are going over to the other areas, I'll show you a little bit about what those look like. So Tri-County Roofing pops up first in the organic section. They've got a pretty sharp looking website. They've done a really nice job on this video. Google loves YouTube and they love to promote that. This is definitely something that is a good thing to do and to get it on your website. They've got a little bit of content, but again, they could do a whole lot more content and really need to. So again, great looking website, but really lacking on some of the keyword rich content that they really need to do. That said, I want to show you their strength of their website. It's a 2.1 on the domain rating and a 9 on the URL rating. So this tells me they don't have very many strong backlinks. So they have 1,000 backlinks showing coming through 46 different places, but they're not very strong. Let's look at some of the keywords, and you'll see that they've used a Chinese website company, and you can start to see that reflected in this. Google doesn't like this, especially for ranking for your area. That's why their URL or UR and DR is really low because these backlinks are terrible. We definitely don't want to have this on your website. So They've got a lot of they've got a lot of keywords showing, but most of them are Chinese, and nothing is really pushing them up for, they've got county roofing, but they're in the 30th position. I'm looking for, gosh, let me see here, Tri-County Roofing. They get searched 600 times a month. I'm sure that's not the only one in the country, so that's picking up a lot of nationwide. You've got Tri-County Roofing, Paulding, Ohio, that gets searched 20 times a month. Definitely not seeing a whole lot of keywords on their site. So you can see, the volume that you want to rank for. That's what we're trying to find and creating a strategy for you. Looking at just this company over in Fort Wayne, so Honest Abe Roofing, they've actually got a Fort Wayne page, and they probably have different service areas somewhere. Yeah, probably in their locations. And I'm just going to show you what this looks like from a bigger area, a bigger city. So Fort Wayne Roofing Company gets searched 400 times a month. It's got a keyword difficulty of 4. That's not really tough to rank for, and this company's in position 4 for that. You've got Roofing Companies Fort Wayne, 450 searches a month, 7 keyword difficulty, position 5. Roofing Contractors Fort Wayne. So they have this content on their website in some form or fashion. That's why it's picking it up on here. This company's actually done some decent SEO work. It looks like they probably have started some sort of SEO campaign or something in the recent time. Because if I look over here, you can see that's 1 month. Let's go to 2 year. Yeah, you can see this jump right here. So this is when they started doing SEO work in September of 2023. And that's where you see all these links starting to get built. So that doesn't mean that they're, that you can't pass them, but they've got a little bit of a head start if you're trying to rank for that Fort Wayne area. But definitely just wanted to show you what was going on over there because, it might be a territory that you're looking at. But the third thing that I want to show you are, we looked at these backlinks a little bit, see how they have very few backlinks coming through. 77 come through 47 different places. So these are almost all unique, and that's a really good thing to have. Let's look at one other thing. I'm going to show you citations. I'm going to drag this screen over here real quick. Yeah, so citations, this is just an example of a company that's down in Florida that I was working for, R&K Roofing, and it shows their competitors, and it shows, which citations they have. So they were all listed on Better Business Bureau. They were all listed on Yelp.com and ZoomInfo. But then you see Facebook.com, they didn't even have a Facebook page. It wasn't picking it up. So maybe something wasn't connected there. B2B Yellowpages.com, they didn't have that. Some of their competitors did. So what we do is we go through this and we find like which citations need to be added that your competitor might have and surpass them. So if your competitor's got, say, 30 citations, we want to go after like 100 citations so that we're always ahead of them and they are always playing catch up. So that's how citations work. Yeah, would love to talk to you further. I know Adam's going to meet with you and discuss, just kind of what you guys are looking at doing on a deeper level. But any questions you have, we would love to answer those and love to help you guys, just kind of dominate in the area of that county, that Tri-County area for your roofing services. So let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.